Hello, my name is Afini Aulia Rahmawati. Student ID is 19252028.
And my name is Alfauli Moha. My student ID 19252042.
Hey everyone, welcome to our podcast. I am Alien and I'll be your host today. In this episode, we're talking about the technologies that have totally changed our lives, the internet and artificial intelligence. We'll start with the internet since it's basically the best of so many modern technologies. I'm here with my partner Afini. Hello guys. Hi Afini, how are you today? Hi Alien, I'm doing great, thanks. I'm really happy to be here because the internet is something we use every day and honestly, it's hard to imagine life without it. So Afini, what exactly is the internet? The internet is a hard global network that connects millions of computers and devices all over the world. It lets us communicate, search for information, study online, shop, watch video, and do tons of other things from almost anywhere. That's great explanation. In your opinion, what's the biggest benefit of the internet? I think the biggest benefit is how easy it makes information access. Students can learn from online courses, digital books, educational videos, and even virtual classes. It also helps people work together even if they are in different cities or countries. I agree. The internet has also changed the way we communicate. Instead of meeting face to face all the time, a lot of people now chat through WhatsApp, Instagram, or other social media platforms. Families who live far apart can still stay close through video calls. Exactly. Another good example is online shopping. There's that people can order food, clothes, and everyday stuff without even leaving home. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the internet became even more important because people work, study, and talk online. That's true, but I also noticed that a lot of people spend hours scrolling through social media every day. Sometimes they're so busy looking at their phones that they ignore the people around them. Yeah, that's one of the downsides. Spending too much time online can affect our mental health, reduce face-to-face communication, and make us less productive. We should enjoy technology, but we also need to keep our screen time under control. Besides spending too much time online, are there any other disadvantages? Definitely, there are fake news, online scams, cybercrime, and privacy issues. That's why it's important to think carefully before sharing information and to protect our personal data with strong password. Thanks, Afini. Today's discussion shows us that the internet has become a big part of our daily lives. Interestingly, one of the technologies that has grown really fast because of the internet is artificial intelligence. AI uses information from the internet to learn, improve, and help people in lots of different ways. So now, let's move on to our second topic. We'll switch roles and Afini will be the host while I'll be the guest speaker. See you next part, guys. Welcome back everyone. As we talked about earlier, the internet has helped a lot of technologies grow. One of the most exciting ones today is artificial intelligence or AI. Hi again, Alin. Hi, Afini. Thanks for joining me as our guest speakers. It's great to be back. AI is such an interesting topic because it's becoming part of our everyday lives, even when we don't really notice it. Let's start with a simple question. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology that helps computers and machines do tasks that usually need human intelligence like learning, solving problems, recognizing speech, and making decisions. Can you give us some example of AI that people use every day? Sure, a lot of people use AI without even realizing it. ChatGPT answers questions, Google Translate helps translate language, Google Maps finds the fastest route, YouTube recommends videos, and Spotify suggests music based on what we like. I think a lot of students also use AI to help with their assignment. What do you think about that? I think that's totally fine as long as it's used responsibly. AI can help students come up with ideas, summarize articles, or improve their grammar. But students shouldn't just copy the answer. They still need to understand the material and think for themselves. That's a good point. It also noticed that a lot of companies now use AI chatbots to answer customers' questions instead of having a person reply right away. Exactly. AI helps companies save time and give faster service. It's also used in hospitals to support doctors, in schools to make learning more personal, and in online shopping to recommend products that customers might like. AI sounds really useful, but are there any risks? Yes, there are. Some people worry that AI could replace certain jobs, especially repetitive ones. There are also concerns about privacy, misinformation, and ethics. That's why AI should always be developed and used responsibly. So, what should students like us to do get ready for the future? I think should keep learning new skills, build our critical thinking, and see AI as a tool instead of a replacement for humans. Technology should help us, not take over. Thank you so much, Alien. Today we learned the internet connects people and information, while artificial intelligence uses the information to create smarter solution. Those two technologies are closely connected and keep shaping the way we live, learn, and work. Thanks everyone for listening to our podcast. We hope you enjoy the discussion and learn something new. See you in the next video. Bye bye.